Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. All right, we open in a few, so we're going to keep this quick. So we talked about yesterday, daily chart. This rejected back into the zone. We talked about it testing multiple areas on the hourly chart. Multiple areas tested. Weekly pivot, 100-day, 20-day. So what do? They do what the bears do best so many times. They walk right into it, say, hi, I think we'll create some support today. They go ahead and make a higher low, which we talked about yesterday, and now we're going ahead and challenging that rejection high. So getting back to the daily chart, bears, McFly, you don't want to make a higher high here. You do that, and you're going to get the test of 4,000. You're going to get the test of that 200-day exponential moving average, and you're going to be in not as good a position to fight it off. Now, look, maybe it goes up over the top. Maybe we walk this, we talked about this back with the last CPI, okay? If the goal now, instead of setting lows with CPI, because that's what that is, are we setting highs now with CPI prints? Because that's what that is. Are they going to walk this up into CPI? I don't know. I just work here. But I know that, they have marked highs and lows along the lines of this chart for the better part of the last, 3 to 4 months. So tomorrow morning is, wait for it, CPI. Do they want to run it up into that, print some kind of a high up over the top of 200? I don't know. But it's certainly something you have to be thinking about. There's no real trade to prepare for that. I mean, this is when, traders that want to be right more than they want to make money go, well, then we got to be long here and screw risk and this and that because it's going to work out. You don't know that. I don't know that. Probably the best thing to do is just, be involved with the trend. We're long from 14.5. We've been walking up our runner, since yesterday afternoon. It's kind of the mirror of yesterday's trade, from Monday's trade. Monday, we walked one down to Tuesday morning from 48.25. Took 40 on a runner. I got 30 locked in on a runner on this. This stuff doesn't have to be hard. This stuff becomes difficult when you are so obsessed with showing everybody how smart you are versus trying to just do what's in front of you, respect risk, follow your profit plan, and just be consistent. Be consistent. It is all about being consistent. If I could give anybody out there that's starting to trade one piece of advice, it is whatever you do, be consistent. Be consistent. Hourly mid-band, 43.35. Monthly pivot, 45.5. Volume weighted average price coming in at 47. Proprietary moving average is at 39.50. The bears want to convert down through 42, try to get back into this area, and ideally close below it today. That's going to take a whole lot of effort and some really bad news to get that done. But hey, there's a lot of bad news out there. Just depends what anybody wants to lock into. So, are we walking up into CPI? Very possible. All right, like I said, it's got to be short. We open in 10 minutes. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well, be good. Talk to you tomorrow.